Meaning of incorporation.
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 Incorporation. Incorporation refers to the process of legally forming a new corporation or company. This involves registering the business with appropriate government authorities, defining ownership structure, and establishing bylaws and articles of incorporation that outline the company's purpose, governance, and other important details. The result is a legally recognized entity that is separate from its owners, with its own rights and liabilities. Incorporation can provide several benefits, such as limiting personal liability for business debts and obligations, access to additional funding sources, and potential tax advantages.